Fashion is one of the most wasteful industries on the planet. Every second, the equivalent of a garbage truck full of clothes is burned or landfilled. But some brands are rewriting the rules. Let's dive into a case study of a company bringing circularity to fashion, not just in design, but in their entire business model. Meet Mud Jeans, a circular denim brand based in the Netherlands. Their goal? To make jeans that never become waste. Let's break down how they do it. One designed for durability and disassembly. Most jeans today are blended with elastane, dyed with heavy metals, and stitched together in a way that's impossible to recycle. Mud Jeans takes a different approach. They use organic and recycled cotton, no toxic dyes, simple stitching, and no rivets, making them easier to disassemble. Timeless designs that don't go out of style. These jeans are built to last and built to come apart. 2. Product as a service model. Here's where it gets interesting. Mud Jeans doesn't just sell jeans, they lease them. Through their Lease a Jeans program, customers pay a monthly fee. At the end of the lease, they can keep the jeans, swap for a new pair, return them for recycling. Returned jeans are either resold, repaired, or shredded into fibers to make new jeans. This shifts the business model from selling more products to keeping materials in circulation. It's not just a product, it's a platform. 3. Closed-loop recycling. Most fashion recycling ends in downcycling, turning clothes into insulation or rags. Mud Jeans works with partners to shred old denim into new fibers, creating new yarns and fabrics. Their jeans contain up to 40% post-consumer recycled denim, one of the highest rates in the industry. This reduces water use, carbon emissions, and dependency on virgin cotton. 4. Transparent impact. Circularity is only credible if it's measurable. Mud Jeans tracks CO2 savings per pair, liters of water saved, material reuse rates, take-back participation. They publish annual sustainability reports. They're B Corp certified. They use blockchain and digital IDs to improve traceability. They don't just talk circular, they prove it. 5. Customer engagement. Circularity only works if people participate. Mud makes it easy and fun. Returns are prepaid. Repairs are free. Loyalty programs reward repeat leasing. Educational content explains the impact. It's not just fashion, it's a movement. Why this matters? Mud Jeans shows that circularity isn't a concept, it's a competitive advantage. They have loyal customers, strong margins, global recognition, lower resource risk, higher brand trust, and they're inspiring bigger players to follow. The takeaway? You don't have to be a giant to lead. You just need circular thinking and the courage to try something new. This is how a fashion brand becomes a circular brand. This is circularity in action.